y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, we are styling one hoodie in 5 different ways. This is an oversized hoodie from Fashion Nova. Thought it was Fashion Nova Men, but it's not. It's just regular. Very simple, so you can do a lot with it, and I'm going to show you that today, so stay tuned. Alright, so as I said, I got 5 looks. We're gonna start off real simple, okay? And even though it is simple, I would wear this. I'm actually gonna wear it today. We're going to my dad's birthday party. I'm gonna wear this only because it is chilly tonight. It's actually fall weather today, and we're gonna be outside. They got their garage done and all that, so of course we're gonna have a little heat lamp thingies. So I don't think I'm gonna be freezing, so I think I'm gonna be good with this. But anyway, let's get to the outfit. I'm just gonna put on my olive cargos that are also from Fashion Nova and my Weed Air Force ones. Like I said, real simple, but it's still giving big fall. We're gonna make the nude hoodie the pop of color, and we're still doing fall, right? So I'm gonna put on a white turtleneck underneath. Y'all, fall time turtleneck and hoodie combo, underrated, super cute, and you'll be warm. I'm gonna wear some oversized mom jeans, also from Fashion Nova. I know where my jeans are from at this point. Like, I don't trust no other company with my jeans. And then I'm gonna do some Weed Air Force ones. Those are a gift from my honey. And then of course this on top. First, we're gonna do the hoodie. Then I'm gonna put on the lightest pair of jeans that I have. Then I'm gonna put on an olive long line vest on top of that. That is from ASOS. That is my favorite vest. It's fire. It's real fashionable. I get a lot of compliments when I wear that. I don't wear it often. And it's just a statement piece. Like, you walk in with that, automatically eyes are on you. So if I can find that vest or something similar, I'll link it below. So we're gonna keep in with the nude color, and I'm gonna put my Weed Air Force ones back on. And then y'all, I'm gonna put on a Scully. Don't know which one. Usually I will put on my OKC Scully or my olive one. We will see though. That is my favorite look. Next one, I want to try like a 50 Shades of Beige kind of look. So we got the hoodie. I don't know what bottoms I'm gonna put on yet. So either one of my pair of cargos, I have 2 pairs of new sweatpants I can do, a pair of New Balances that will probably do better. And I might do something with this because this matches better. Either way, whatever I come up with, another outfit suggestion with this hoodie would be a monochromatic beige look. So nude hoodie, nude pants, nude shoes, nude hat. Okay. So nude is perfect for right now. Last outfit suggestion would be denim on denim, black jeans, black denim jacket. Those are both from Fashion Nova with this hoodie. And then I am gonna put this hat on. I think I'll be all right. And then I'm gonna put on a red shoe to match this hat. So Raging Bulls or my red 3s. I got some Chuck Taylors I could put on with that. I think still even look nice. Y'all, I'm coming up with these on fly because this hat is not the right color. All in all, 1, keep it simple, just pair it with olive pair of pants and a nude shoe. 2, pair it with a turtleneck. 3, pair it with a statement vest. 4, monochromatic look. And 5, denim on denim. So those are all my suggestions for one hoodie and how to style it different ways. Let me know what your favorite look was. Obviously mine was the statement vest because it's real extra like me. But let me know what yours was. Comment something else if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I'll see y'all in the next one.